Installing new windows is one of the most effective ways to improve comfort, appearance, and long-term performance in a home. However, even high-quality windows can underperform if installation mistakes are made. For homeowners in New Orleans, avoiding common installation errors is essential to ensure windows deliver the comfort and reliability you expect. Understanding these mistakes can help you make informed decisions and protect your investment. Incorrect window measurements. One of the most common installation mistakes starts before the window even arrives. Inaccurate measurements can lead to windows that don't fit properly in the opening. When windows are too small, gaps form that allow air and moisture to enter. When they're too large, forcing them into place can cause frame damage or alignment issues. New Orleans homeowners benefit from precise measurements that ensure a snug, secure fit from the start. Skipping proper preparation of the opening. The condition of the window opening matters just as much as the window itself. Failing to inspect and prepare the opening can lead to long-term problems. Old materials, uneven surfaces, or hidden damage around the opening should be addressed before installation. In New Orleans homes, overlooking this step can result in poor sealing, drafts, or moisture intrusion later on. Inadequate sealing and insulation. Sealing is one of the most critical steps in window installation, yet it's also one of the most commonly mishandled. Inadequate sealing around the frame allows air and moisture to pass through. New Orleans homeowners often notice drafts or discomfort near windows when sealing isn't done properly. Quality installation includes sealing and insulating the entire perimeter to create a strong barrier between indoors and outdoors. Poor window alignment. A window that isn't level or square may appear fine at first, but alignment issues often cause performance problems over time. Misaligned windows can be hard to open or close and may not seal properly. In New Orleans homes, poor alignment can lead to uneven pressure on the frame, increasing wear and reducing comfort. Proper installation ensures the window sits evenly and operates smoothly. Ignoring moisture management. Moisture control is essential for long-term window performance. Improper flashing or drainage can allow water to collect around the window frame. New Orleans homeowners should avoid installations that don't include proper moisture management techniques. Without them, water intrusion can lead to hidden damage and costly repairs down the line. Using the wrong installation materials. Not all materials are suitable for every home. Using low quality or incorrect materials during installation can compromise performance. For New Orleans homes, choosing appropriate sealants, insulation, and fasteners is important to ensure windows remain secure and effective over time. Cutting corners with materials often leads to premature issues. Rushing the installation process. Window installation requires careful attention to detail. Rushing the process increases the likelihood of mistakes, from skipped steps to improper sealing. New Orleans homeowners should be cautious of installations that move too quickly. A thorough installation takes time and ensures every component is properly placed and secured. Overlooking manufacturer guidelines. Every window is designed with specific installation requirements. Ignoring manufacturer guidelines can void warranties and reduce window performance. In New Orleans homes, following these guidelines ensures the window functions as intended and maintains its long-term reliability. Failing to test the window after installation. Once a window is installed, it should be tested for smooth operation, proper sealing, and overall fit. Skipping this final check can allow small issues to go unnoticed. New Orleans homeowners benefit from installations that include thorough testing to confirm everything works correctly before the job is complete. Protecting comfort and long-term performance. Window installation mistakes can affect comfort, durability, and peace of mind. Avoiding these common errors helps ensure new windows deliver their full benefits. For homeowners in New Orleans, choosing careful installation over shortcuts makes all the difference, resulting in windows that perform reliably, enhance comfort, and stand the test of time.